I've been to plenty of conferences. I've never experienced anything like momentum. These people want to see you succeed. They become cheerleaders for you. It blew me away.
This is the most movement we have made in our plan to start our business in a year. We've done it in 2 days, what we couldn't get done in over a year.
The speakers here were fantastic, and I really did learn, first of all, I learned tangible steps, which that was what I was most nervous about, to get an idea, but how do you actually start your business? How do you actually do those things like podcasting? And they told every detail, even how to get started.
I can't put a price on the information and the people that I meet here to help me attain my goals in my business.
The takeaway from here is 10,000-fold what I expected. I've got more to do. I've never been so excited and so nervous at the same time, but I really feel like climbing up to the edge of a mountain, and I'm really ready to get a lot of momentum, no pun intended, and push my business a lot further than it is right now.
I come back each time because literally I love the information and the thought processes from the experts that come here, and it kind of re-energizes me and helps me refocus on my plans and the goals that I need to obtain.
Most impactful has been talking about relationships and the power of connections, not just with the people I have in the room and forging new ones, but the importance of creating them outside of it.
The people that Lou gathers together in this room, I mean, it's magic. I was blown away. I learned so much, and the presenters, all of the presenters, put so much thought into their presentations, and that is definitely one thing that makes me come back year after year.